Hello everyone, my name is Albert with SnoringDevicesAustralia.com, and today I'm here to do a product unboxing and review of the SnoreRx. It's called the SnoreRx, tagline, the prescription for snoring. I had this product sent through to me by the company to give it a look and make a product review video, and that's what I'm going to do today. I have opened it up. I actually got more than one sample, which is really awesome. I opened one of them and kind of took a look at it before recording this video, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox another one for you guys so you can see what you get when you order the product. Now, I'm going to go ahead and share with you first some things that were sent through to me, though, by the company when they sent me the package. It was really awesome. I got this. I'm going to put it in the camera here. I got this pretty cool flyer, like guaranteed to stop your snoring, more value, more comfort, premium dental lab quality, built to last, and it just gives you some information. Some of the features that are said to be incorporated into this are a thermal matrix, a flex jaw technology, microfit, max flow, posi lock, dental lab quality. Rated 5 stars, 1/20th the cost of a dentist fabricated product costing $2,000 plus. Thermal Matrix delivers superior custom impression, critical to prevent tooth movement, etc., etc. So this is pretty awesome. This is a product that was developed by a company named Apnea Sciences. Their website is www.snorerx.com. And I just have to say I'm pretty impressed with it so far. The packaging is beautiful. It's got a sheen, it's got like a reflective sheen to it. The plastic is really high quality. I got a really awesome letter from the let's see here. From the president and CEO of the company when he sent me these products. So really personable. I was impressed by that. Not like a big company that doesn't have time for the little guy. This is definitely seems to be a company that takes their products seriously, and that makes me pretty happy. So without further delay, let's get to the product here. Okay, so SnoreRx. It says on the front here. I'm gonna try to give you a little better look. 30-day. 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee, which is awesome. Advanced medical grade device, microfit patented design. It's so shiny that you can literally see the reflection of my camera in it, which is really awesome. The packaging is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so at the bottom of the package, down here, it says for more patient information, visit www.snorerx.com. And on the back of the box, you can see, I'm taking a look here. Actually haven't looked at the back of the box very closely yet. The Stop Bang questionnaire is a pre-screening tool that can help determine if SnoreRx is right for you. Do you snore loudly? Yes or no? Do you often feel tired, fatigued, or sleepy during daytime? Has anyone observed you stop snoring or breathing during sleep? Do you have or are you being... Sorry, this is kind of fuzzy here, but I'm going to read them to you anyway. I'm just going to lay it down here. I'm going to read them to you. Do you have or are you being treated for high blood pressure? Are you obese, overweight, BMI more than 35? Are you over 50 years old? Is your neck circumference greater than 16 inches? And are you male? If you answer yes to 3 or more questions, please contact a physician to be evaluated for sleep apnea or a respiratory disorder. So on the back, what we have is actually a little pre-screening for sleep apnea, which is really serious. Sleep apnea is a step up from regular snoring, but snoring is often a symptom of sleep apnea. And when you suffer from sleep apnea, you actually stop breathing periodically throughout the night. And then when your brain registers that you're being deprived of oxygen, it wakes you up and you sort of wake up and gasp, and then you fall back to sleep. So this really disrupts the quality of your rest, and it makes it much more difficult for you to get the kind of rest you need. So yeah, so that's awesome. It's awesome that this product is designed to not only treat snoring, but that they also care about sleep apnea. I'm not sure if this product is actually supposed to be used to treat sleep apnea. Okay, SnoreRx should not be used by patients who have central sleep apnea, have a severe respiratory disease, have loose teeth, or advanced periodontal disease, or are under the age of 18. That's what it says on the side of the box here. So I'm just looking at my other copy of the box as I look over this. So yeah, okay. So yeah, it looks like having obstructive sleep apnea does not rule this device out, which is awesome. Okay, so let's just open it up and take a look. Gonna pop the box open here. There's actually not a whole lot in here. It's pretty simple. There is the mouth guard, the device itself. There is a protective case for it, which is really cool. And there are instructions, an instruction booklet. Okay, first let's take a look at the instructions real quick. These are pretty nice. It's small, but to the point. Lots of really good information here. Pretty much what you're looking at in this. You've got contraindications, warnings, precautions, custom fitting instructions over here. Over here you've got custom fitting steps, which kind of go with the instructions. And then you've got the adjustment instructions, because you can adjust this device once you get it fitted. You're not supposed to touch the adjustments until after it's been fitted. But so you got to fit it. That's a really important part. On the back part, you've got user information, care and handling, and some caution tips. You've got a stop bang survey, the same one that was on the back of the packaging. And then we've got the information about the company and the 30-day money-back guarantee. SnoreRx and Microfit are U.S. registered. SnoreRx is U.S. patent. Okay, so it gives the patent number, effective date, effective 4/20/2017. So it's pretty recent. This is a new product. This is a very new product, which I knew already, but for those of you who didn't know, it is pretty much brand new. Okay, so instruction booklet, really nice. It's going to tell you everything you need. I give that 2 thumbs up for sure. Let's go ahead and take a look at the product itself. Now, I've reviewed a lot of these products, and obviously you can only tell a certain amount before the fitting, and we're not going to do the fitting in this video. I'm going to do that later. But what we are going to do is we're going to take a look at the product itself, and I'm going to compare it to other devices that I have fitted, and I'm going to kind of talk about it so you can get a pretty general idea of what you're going to get if you order this. Okay, first of all, the protective case, really awesome, has the SnoreRx logo on it, has a part number on it, which is kind of fun. I guess you could order another one if you lose it. It snaps together really nicely, so no problem there. Yeah, awesome. Great for traveling, great for just keeping it out of, so you don't get cat hair on it, or, dust particles or whatever. There are some little drainage holes, I guess, at the bottom, which is kind of cool. Made in the USA, it says on the back, so that's pretty awesome. All right, now let's take a look at the device itself. All right, here we go. This is the SnoreRx from the front. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. No, not gonna focus for me. Back it up. There we go. Okay. We've got the upper. It's labeled upper and lower, so you know which part goes upwards. It's got the adjustments on the sides and the little measurements for them. This is what the inside looks like. The material that it's made from is pretty sturdy and tough. It's not real soft. It does have some give to it. I'll try to demonstrate here. It's got a tiny bit of give, but it's not like a gel. It's definitely like a harder rubber feeling, and there is a little bit of plastic in it, like in these parts, in the adjustment parts, and it looks like maybe even a tiny bit of. Let me take a look at this real quick. I'm not sure if there's any metal in there or not. It doesn't look like it. I'm not sure if it's metal or plastic in these parts, but okay. So the bottom part is pretty small, like the place where you put your teeth is kind of small, and it's shaped in a way that would really, to be honest, it would help to keep it from being like, how can I say, it's not going to be bulky. It's not going to be as bulky as some that I've reviewed, that's for sure. I am a little concerned that some people's teeth may not fit in here, but the fitting process would really help with that. That's the thing. You get some leeway when you boil it and bite it. It fits with boil and bite technology, which means that you boil it. I mean, you've got to read the instructions. You've got to read the instructions to make sure you follow them. But you pretty much boil it, and then you kind of take them out, and then you kind of bite down into them, and you form it that way, and that's pretty much how you get a custom fit for it. And so it comes pre-fitted. Not pre-fitted, but you need to fit it before you can wear it. You can't just wear it like this. It will not work. You got to fit it. The bottom, or the upper part, is also thin, kind of skinny. Again, I would worry a tiny bit. People with really different bites, like people who with teeth that are a little out of place, if they're too far out of place, it might be a little bit difficult to get this fitted correctly. It might be, but you do have some leeway. The boil and bite's going to give you some leeway with that. So I see, the thing is that if it didn't work like that, it's got the 100% money back guarantee. So you're really not at any loss if you were to try that. So yeah, material looks great. It's really well made. I've seen some of these that were cheaply made, and I've seen some that were well made. It's got a space in the middle too, so you can breathe through it, which is cool. Actually, you'd be surprised how many are kind of difficult to breathe through. No, this thing seems well made. It seems well engineered. It seems well thought out. SnoreRx has pretty much taken this concept, which is not a new concept, the mandibular advancement device. The way that this is supposed to stop snoring, by the way, is that you wear it and you use the adjustments to advance the lower part of the jaw forward. When you do that, it opens up the back of the airway, because when you snore, pretty much what's happening is the back of your airway is collapsing in on itself when you inhale, and then that's cutting off your oxygen. And it happens because our tissue is loose, or we don't have enough muscle in our throat, or because maybe we have a little too much fatty tissue around our neck and it just constricts. So this device pulls your lower jaw outward slightly, using your teeth as leverage pretty much, and it opens up the back of your throat. And then when that happens, it kind of opens up that airway, reopens it, and makes it way more difficult for it to collapse in on itself. So it's a really small adjustment to your lower jaw that makes a big difference in the back of your throat for the air coming through. So that's how this device is designed to stop snoring. And that's not unlike other snoring devices. It's really not. The mandibular advancement device has been around for quite a while, but I will say that SnoreRx has taken it to another level with this device. The price is pretty good. It's a little more expensive than some I've seen, but it is not at all exorbitant. You can check it out on their website, or you can find out. We've got a written review of it on our website too. You can check it out and follow the link on snoringdevicesaustralia.com. All right, so SnoreRx. That pretty much concludes my unboxing and review. I'm going to just lay this stuff out here real quick. My score, great. 2 thumbs up. I give it 5 stars. I'm gonna fit this thing, and I'm gonna give it a try, and we're gonna see how well it works. I feel like confidence is high with this one. I really do. So far, so good. From the look of it and from my experience with other mandibular advancement devices, I can tell you that this thing looks like it's gonna do a good job. And what I love that it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I would actually encourage you never to buy stop snoring device that does not come with a guarantee, because if something goes wrong, if it breaks, if it doesn't fit, if it just doesn't work, you can just get your money back and you don't have to bother with it. I know it might be a little bit of a pain to pay for it, to get it, and then to have to return it, but that is so much better than being stuck with a device that doesn't work and not being able to get your money and just wasting your money. So kudos to SnoreRx, Apnea Sciences rather, for making it easy to have like a safe purchase, that you don't have to be afraid that you might get ripped off or that it won't work. Obviously this is a legitimate company. They're not a scam. They're not going to rip you off, but it is nice to have the comfort of knowing that if this device just for some reason doesn't work for you, they will honor that guarantee and give you your money back. So that's really, really awesome. And they're that confident in their product. And that's another really attractive thing to me. So SnoreRx, take a look at it. Look it up online. You can visit the link from our website. If you've been having trouble snoring and you're looking for a mandibular advancement device, check this one out. I really recommend it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos like it. We will be posting content regularly. Thank you so much for checking us out. Make sure to tell your friends about our site and our channel. If you've got some friends who snore or suffer from any kind of sleep related disorder, we post a lot of good blogs and information as well about those kinds of things. So yeah, we're all about sleep and good quality of rest. So make sure you come back. Thanks guys. Have a great day.